Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Chevy Colorado, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. So let's go ahead and break down that really simple install for you. All right, to start off, we're going to locate the factory trailer wiring right here along the driver's side rear frame rail. Chevy makes it really easy, and they already brought all the wires for the trailer wiring already back here for us. All right, now we're going to go ahead and unclip it from the frame. We're going to use our trim panel removal tool, and then we'll go ahead and expose the wires. All right, now with our wires exposed, we're going to go ahead and hook it up to our universal trailer wiring harness, part number HMF47214. And we're going to go ahead and use heat shrink butt connectors to insulate and to protect the wires. All right, so on our plug, not all of the colors match, so make sure that you check each wire's function before you hook it up to make sure that it matches. So the black factory wire will connect to our white wire on our plug, and that is for the ground. Our orange wire will hook up to the red wire, and that's for the power. So our gray factory wire will hook up to our purple. And the rest will match up to its same color. All right, we're going to go ahead and use our butane torch and heat shrink those butt connectors. All right, now we're just going to clean up the wires by taping them up, help protect them a little bit more. All right, our next step is we're going to remove this cover in the bumper. This is where our trailer wiring harness is going to mount. All right, directly behind it on the bumper, we're going to push on these two clips, and that will allow us to remove it. All right, now we're going to use the trailer wiring harness 7-way and 4-flat combo U-Haul part number 30966, and we're going to go ahead and line up the same clips and just push it right into place in the bumper. And then we'll go ahead and plug in our other harness. And we'll just clean up our wires by putting our clip back in and using a zip tie. All right, so that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us at uhaulhitches.com.